I'll be showing you the top visitor recording apps for your Shopify store. For each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their pricing, features, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. Now, these apps are great as they can help you find specific issues that may be causing your customers to not convert properly. The first app we'll be taking a look at is called Peak. It lets you record user sessions, understand your customer, and provide versatile survey options to improve your store. So it gives you customer session recordings so you can track every action your visitors perform to improve their shopping experience and boost conversions. It also lets you create segments to analyze your data so you can focus on what's important and refine what isn't working. And along with that, they give you the option to collect surveys such as a post-purchase survey that gives you short and straightforward surveys that blend seamlessly to the checkout page. And they're going to crunch the most important data so you can focus on improving your store. In terms of pricing, it's completely free for 100 unique visitors per month, and you're going to get session recordings. In terms of the paid plan, there's a 7-day free trial, and it's $29 a month, and you get 10,000 unique visits per month. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.7 stars with 2.3 thousand 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the AI review summary here, merchants highly value this app for its insightful analytics and user session replays. And this is the part exactly what we're looking for. Next up, we have Propel Replay and Session Recordings. It lets you boost sales with replays, heat maps, and surveys. So you can discover why shoppers don't buy and learn customer preferences. Heat maps are great because they let you identify shopper engagement patterns so you can optimize your page layout to help increase sales. If you've never used one before, it's basically just going to show you where customers are clicking. This can really help you optimize your pages. You can also run surveys to gauge customer satisfaction, and they're going to break down the replays by page so you can see and optimize the exact path that shoppers are taking throughout your store. And this lets you stop errors and broken links from killing your sales. In terms of pricing, it's free for 2,000 page views per month, and you're going to get 1 heat map and 1 survey. Paid plans start at $9.90, and they go up to $39.90 listed here for up to 80,000 page views per month. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars, with almost 600 5-star reviews. Merchants highly recommend this app for its insights into customer behavior, helping to optimize website layouts and enhance user experiences. This latest review here said it's super simple to use, and the free plan is a huge help for small stores. If you've ever made any sales on Shopify, you really have to know how much profit you've actually made. You have so many different costs, from your cost of goods sold, your shipping costs, your ad spend, your transaction fees, and more, and those all add up. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, making it super easy to understand how much money your store has actually made. It breaks everything down in an easy to understand dashboard so you can start making smarter business decisions. There's a free 15-day trial so you can test drive everything for yourself, and I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check out Profit Calc. The third app we'll take a look at here is called Lucky Orange Heat Maps and Replay, so you can get visual analytics on what customers purchase, products they add to cart, as well as checkout abandonment. In terms of the replays, you can get breakdowns such as people who have rage clicked, and you can see exactly what they're doing on your store. It gives you a detailed heat map so you can understand what users are clicking, and it's going to give you analytics as well into the whole process. In terms of pricing, there's a free plan for 100 sessions per month. Paid plans start at $19, and $89 a month, you get 15,000 sessions per month. If we take a look at the reviews, sitting on an excellent 4.7 stars, with 1.2 thousand 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the latest review here, this merchant recommends this app for 3 reasons. The first reason is it lets you stop the guesswork, as you know where users are browsing. The dashboard is so user-friendly that even this person's daughter, who is 6, could find their way around it. And lastly, the customer service team is great, polite, and quick to help. Lastly, we have MIDA Heat Map, Replay, and Record, so you can improve the shopping experience by better replays, recordings, and heat maps for watching customer actions. So again, it's going to have heat map features for visual user engagement. It's going to have session replays, so we can watch the real user's journeys, as well as see where they're clicking on your site. Also has surveys built in, so we can gain valuable customer insights, such as what channels did they find out about us. And it's going to give us analytics so we can discover information and find out which pages have the most traffic for optimization. In terms of pricing, you get 400 sessions per month, so that's about 2,000 page views, and 1 month recording storage. Paid plans start at $9.90 and go up to the listed here of $39.90 per month, where you can get 10,000 sessions. In terms of reviews, sitting at an almost perfect 4.9 stars, with 168 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the review summary, merchants highly value this app for its session recording and heat maps, which help understand customer behavior, reduce site bounces, and increase conversions. This concludes the video here on the top visitor recording apps for your Shopify store. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.